Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closing higher on Tuesday as the Nasdaq and the Dow Jones reaching all-time highs. Shares in banks, diversified financials, and consumer durables and apparel sectors all ending on a positive note, while shares in food, beverage, and tobacco, energy, and healthcare equipment and services, they were in the red. Advancers ahead of decliners, 66% of SP500 constituents trading higher yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Nike unveiling second quarter diluted EPS of 50 cents versus 45 1 year ago on revenues up 6% year over year to $8.18 billion. Meanwhile, FedEx reporting second quarter adjusted EPS of $2.80 versus $2.58 last year on sales of $14.9 billion. And Corning saying it has acquired full ownership of Strand Technologies, a U.S.-based producer of harsh environment and tactical interconnect products and services. Financial terms of the deal not disclosed. Turning overseas now, Asian markets mixed today. The Nikkei down just about 0.25%, while the Hang Seng up 0.37%. China's CSI 300 rising just about 0.9%, while South Korea's Kospi that managed to decline 0.19%. European markets losing some ground, U.S. futures calling for a negative start. In terms of expectations today, Accenture first quarter EPS seen at $1.50 on sales of approximately $8.6 billion. Moving on, Paychex second quarter EPS seen at 56 cents on sales of approximately $780 million. And Micron Technology first quarter EPS seen at 26 cents on sales of approximately $3.9 billion. On the economic docket, 10 o'clock in the morning, we have November existing home sales figures expected at 5.5 million. While over in the markets, the S&P 500 sees a bullish bias above 2260. Even though a continuation of the consolidation cannot be ruled out, the extent should be limited. Long positions above 2260 are favored with targets at 2269 and 2273, an extension. Moving on, the Nasdaq sees the upside prevail, preferring long positions above 4926, and the Dow Jones sees the upside prevail, preferring long positions above 1985.